Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about IELTS Writing Task 1, the process chart. Let's learn how to score Band 8 by using the passive voice. The type of process that you get are two types. One is man-made, the second is natural. The man-made cycle definitely includes the machines with which something is produced. And the natural cycles talk about like water cycle and the life cycle of any creature. So in the process chart, you are to describe the activities that happen. So the focus must be on the verbs given. Like what kind of verbs we have got in the given picture, we are to focus on that and then transform those into the passive sentences. Put all the given verbs into passive. When you write, the structure should be subject like noun or pronoun plus your helping verb is MR according to the subject that you use plus past participle, which is the third form of the verb. For example, the fish is caught and then put into the salt water. Further, it is sent to the cold chamber for freezing. If you look at the underlined words, the structure is very clear. Fish is your subject plus is your helping verb and caught is your past participle. And then the verb, helping verb would not be repeated, but the word put has been written, which is again the third form. So the underlined words are the subject, noun, pronoun plus helping verb plus past participle, and this is the structure that you need throughout your process chart because the focus is on the activity, not the person doing that process or that work. In the natural process, the style would little vary because there the doer can be active at times. That we will discuss later. But throughout the man-made process, we need to focus on the action that took place and put in the passive voice using the structure given, which we have just discussed, which would be your subject. You have to find whether fish is your subject or anything else is your subject. That you need to focus on, and then you are to see and look at the verb which has been given in the process, because generally it is written collecting the fish. So the verb collecting is important there. Now let's look at the diagram given, which actually shows the process of making milk and the milk products, how the milk products are produced. If you look at it, the cows are seen grazing in the field. So how can we put that? Let's read the sample sentences to understand. In the first two stages, cows are left for grazing. So cows noun are the verb according to the subject because cows are plural plus left, that is the third form of the verb. And then they are milked by the automated milking machines twice a day. Now the word they has been used as a pronoun for the cows, and then the plural verb are is used, and milk has been again used as participle, past participle as milked. So if you use these structure, you can easily write your process chart, which is never a problem if you follow the right kind of structure and rules. Thank you. Do like, subscribe and comment for more information, and keep watching the channel. Thank you.